हाय गाइस, मैं हूं आपकी दोस्त और आपकी होस्ट एमजी और ये है एक छोटी सी स्नीक पीक इनटू माय बड़ी से chaotic जिंदगी। So today we're doing a video that everybody knows I should have done at least 6 months ago, but I didn't because I was busy with work that actually pays. Unlike this, that doesn't pay. But yeah, whatever. We're doing a life update video. Let's go. You know I'm a consultant when I have my life updates written down, quite literally. You gotta do this in a constructive manner. Otherwise, what's the point? First of all, बहुत सारे updates हैं that are pending that I know I should have given you all, but I didn't. As most of you know, I was doing my masters, but I graduated in May of this year, which is May of 2024. I finished my degree, graduated with a gold medal. Just saying. I got placed and I'm working as a consultant now, and the only catch is that the job was in Bangalore. So मैं बताती हूँ, जब मैंने अप्लाई किया था ना, जब प्लेसमेंट आई थी एंड एवरीबडी इन द कॉलेज दे सेड कि ओनली अप्लाई अगर आपको पता है कि इफ़ यू गेट द जॉब यू कैन मूव एंड स्टफ. सो मम्मी ने बोला कर दे, अप्लाई क्या जा रहा है. डैडी ने बोला कि देख ले, मतलब चांस क्यों ले रही है, अगर हो गया तो बैंगलोर जाना पड़ेगा. यू नो, इट्स जस्ट रोल विद इट बिकॉज देन it was supposed to be difficult and I wasn't supposed to crack it, but then I cracked it. और फिर सबकी everybody cracked. They were like, भाई ये क्या हो गया, अब तो इसको बैंगलोर भेजना पड़ेगा, ये क्या है. And you know, if you know my parents, you know मुझे एक night stay भी नहीं allowed. Yeah, I have not gone to parties in Delhi. I have not done night stays in Delhi. मैंने कुछ भी नहीं किया. I was a good child. I only used to go on brunches and stuff. और कहीं नहीं जाती थी. तो बिग मूव. बट हाँ, जब प्लेसमेंट हुई, एवरीबडी वॉज रियली हैप्पी दैट एटलीस्ट आई गॉट प्लेस्ड. देन आई रियलाइज दैट मूविंग आउट ऑफ माई होम वॉज द वन ड्रीम दैट आई हैड सिंस आई वॉज आई थिंक 16 years old. 15-16 years old से मेरा ड्रीम था कि यार वाओ यार कितना मज़ा आएगा, सब कुछ खुद करना है, खुद रहो, खुद सब कुछ करो. एंड मतलब हाँ, मेरा बहुत ही लॉन्ग लॉस्ट ड्रीम था और मैं भूल भी चुकी थी इस ड्रीम के बारे में बिकॉज आई न्यू माई फैमिली एंड आई न्यू कि यार ये ठीक है, उतना ही ड्रीम करना चाहिए जितना पॉसिबल हो. तो मुझे लगा कि यार ये तो थोड़ा आउट ऑफ रीच ही है, तो इस ड्रीम को तो छोड़ ही देते हैं. बट देन लाइफ गेव मी द अपॉर्चुनिटी, सो आई गेस दैट्स ग्रेट. आई मूव टू बैंगलोर इन मे लास्ट वीक और हमें ज्वाइनिंग से लिटरली कुछ 2-2.5 हफ्ते पहले पता चला था कि यू नो ज्वाइनिंग है आपकी. एंड यू वर लाइक हाउ, व्हाट, व्हेन. बट लकीली इट वाज नॉट जस्ट मी who got placed. There were 3 other students from my class who got placed with me, so I had that cushion to fall back upon. I have my friends here. I made more friends as well, but then I knew a few people here and there who were in Bangalore, so it was a little bit easier for me. We came here with the outset to look for flats. Because we wanted to live in a flat, me and my friend, but then we were running very short on time और उतने कम stipulated time में हमें flat नहीं मिला था, so we had to settle for a PG, which I think I really need to do like a story time of the PG and I will tell you all of the stories that went down in that PG. So we were in a PG for about 3 months and उसके बाद हमारा एकदम हो गया था कि भाई अब नहीं हो पा रहा because that PG was really crazy. Usually PGs are not like that. That was like more like a hostel. So of course we had our teething trouble. Yeah, we got our way. So we moved out. 6 months का हमारा लॉक इन पीरियड था और उसके बाद भी हम 3 महीने में मूव आउट कर गए थे. And then we moved into a flat and this is our flat. I don't want to do a flat home tour stuff क्योंकि हमने इतने अच्छे से सेटअप नहीं किया हुआ इसको. But it's more than what we could have asked for. We literally got this flat in 2 days. We finalized it in 2 days. This is the first flat that we saw and this is the one that we finalized. Really think you all should see the view that I have. We are living the dream life. अकेले रह रहे हैं, अकेले सब कुछ कर रहे हैं, चिल कर रहे हैं, काम भी कर रहे हैं बहुत सारा. एंड वो जो ड्रीम था ना, लिविंग अलोन वाला ड्रीम, वो हिट भी होता है कभी कभी कि भाई वाह यार आई एम लिविंग माई ड्रीम. बट देन कभी कभी बिल्कुल ऐसे हो जाता है कि ओ भाई अब तो घर जाना है, अब तो मम्मी चाहिए.
पता तो मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ, मैं ना क्या कर सकता हूँ यार?
And we have done a lot of unspeakable things in this flat, and it's kind of like that saying, what happens in Vegas stays in Vegas. So what happens in Bangalore stays in Bangalore. About my job, I think it's going okay. First job, and that too consulting. It's pretty heavy, I have to say, and I've had my fair share of breakdowns actually. Moving out when you're a student is a very different thing than moving out when you're working, because when you're working you're occupied basically the entire day, at least 12 hours. But when you're a student, you have a lot of free time on your hands, so it's a little bit easier to maintain things around house. But for us, it does get very hectic on a lot of days. Our work mode is such that we have a hybrid work mode, so that at least makes a lot of things easier. I only have to go to office physically on 2 days, and rest I have work from home policy. That's also good. More than anything, I think I've missed vlogging so much. I've only recently started vlogging again. I've recently started picking up the camera again. I shot 2 vlogs back in June when I just moved. उसके बाद से बिल्कुल टाइम नहीं लगा है, because there was just so much going on in life that vlogging was the last thing on my plate that I could take up. I've had a lot of breakdowns about a lot of things. It makes up for the experience, and one of my friends told me that you have to give a city 6 months to decide whether you like it or not, and I think I've hit the 6-month mark recently, and I think I like it. It's not all bad. I don't think there's anything else that I can update you guys with. I got graduated, I got placed, I'm working, I've moved cities. That's about it. And I'm gonna try vlogging a lot more now. Not like मेरी life को बहुत ज़्यादा happening है. Weekdays are literally packed. Weekends only recently started being free. Otherwise, I was working on the weekends as well, which I do not recommend anybody do. Navigating corporate is very difficult, especially as a yapper. But yeah, that was it for the video. Let me know if you guys liked it. Let me know if you all want me to shoot more content, and let me know what content you want me to shoot, because मैं तो कुछ भी कर सकती हूँ. Thank you so much for watching, and like, share, comment, subscribe, and leave a comment. Please just leave a comment. Any opinion, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.